welcome back to another one. Yes, if you are new here, welcome. This is a place where we are entitled for greatness. So if you are a returning subscriber, Manze Sinakulomboto, I love you so much and thank you so much for the support. Manze, you guys have been supporting me. Mama, I've done so many takes doing the intro. Can you please cooperate? Yes, that's my beautiful daughter. Yes, I know she's cute. I know. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to comment. So I want to arrange my room, my bedroom, my closet, my wardrobe, whatever, my clothes. Yes, we want to do that, and I want you guys to come with me, or us rather. What sounds better? Yeah. What sounds better? Yes. Really, who does that? So yeah, let's do it. Let's go and clean our bedroom. Guys, the lighting in my bedroom is not that giving. You'll just have to bear with me, but we have to do this, man. Subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Yeah, gonna like, subscribe. Ooh, I'm looking cute. My baby's looking cute. We are looking cute. I am. Yes, guys, we finally got a blender. I'm so excited. Look at that. I already unboxed it, but I didn't do it with you guys. So here we go. Oops. Oh my goodness, brand new. I'm so excited. That's all we have it. So guys, here we go. You have this beautiful jug over here. We have this. Ooh. I'm so excited. Can't wait to try. Oh my goodness. Yay. Ooh, the smoothies. Oh my god. Yeah. This, and in here we have the grinder. Yay. Here we go. I'm so excited. Akipesa wewe. Oh my goodness, Shranton.